I used to think I needed better tools, more apps, smarter systems. What I actually needed was less noise. Hey, I'm Diaz, and this is how I make tech fit my life. My biggest problem isn't lack of tools. It's noise. Too many notifications, context switching. If the system fights me, I lose focus. So I built a stack that gets out of the way. It starts with a trigger. Music is how I block out the world. The moment the playlist starts, my brain knows it's time. We are not leaving this chair. I don't use AI to write code for me. I use it when I hit a wall. When I'm stuck or tired, that's when I open it. It doesn't replace my thinking. It unblocks it. This is the engine, cursor. I switch it for flow, not hype. It keeps me in the file. When the editor feels invincible, the code happens. I don't store ideas in my head. That's stressful. Everything goes into Obsidian. If I need to search for it, the system failed. Here, everything has a home. And finally, access. Even away from the desk, I'm still connected. Beanbag, downstairs, anywhere. None of these apps are magic, but together they create silence. I stopped thinking about tools and start thinking about the work. These are the apps I trust, and this is how I make tech fit my life. Time to head back down.